How to screen record on an iPhone or iPad. First, I will go to the control center. Next, everyone will press and hold on the empty space with their finger. Select Add a control. Tap on Screen Recording. This will add the screen recording button to the control center on your iPhone. Everyone will tap outside to exit. To record with sound, press and hold the screen recording button. Select Microphone. This way, the microphone is turned on. When you finish recording, it will be saved to Photos. To start recording, everyone will tap the record button. Count 3, 2, 1 and the recording will start. To stop recording, everyone will tap the red circular icon. Tap the Stop Recording button, and it will be saved to the Photos app. So this is the video I just recorded. It's that simple. You can now screen record on your iPhone or iPad. If you enjoy the video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much.